everyone, welcome to Flowing Data channel, and in this video I am going to talk about comment in Python. Okay, so maybe you are aware of comment, but let me tell you that comments are useful information that the developers provide to make the reader understand the source code. Okay, and it does not comes in our output. Like if you want to explain this particular code of line, then I will simply write hash, and remember comments always start with hash. Okay, and this is to print out info. Okay, so this actually print out this information. Hello everyone, welcome to Flowing Data channel, and this is the comment that gives you the information about this particular code. Okay, so now one thing is there that in Python there is only single line comment. That means you can't write multi-line. Okay, so for writing multi-line comment you just need to put hash in front of each line. So if you write another line, like this is another line is here, so to make it multi-line you need to put hash in front of all the lines. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell you that comments does not have to be always the text explaining the code. Sometimes what happen is we don't want to execute this particular code. Okay, so in that case also you can just keep hash in front of this and make this particular code as a comment, so it will not execute in your program. Okay, so this is how you can use the comment, and it is very important thing, so it will help you in your future while you are going through your codes. Okay, and also for the people, for the readers who are understanding your codes. Okay, so thank you for being with us. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel and share our videos. Thank you.